Rewarded Play lets users earn rewards by playing mobile games, which means your results depend on the games available, how often you play, and whether the rewards match your time. A realistic weekly review of Rewarded Play comes down to 3 things: how the earning process works, what affects your results, and how to decide if the app is worth keeping. The first thing to understand is how the app works. Rewarded Play connects users with mobile games where progress and activity can lead to rewards. Instead of getting paid simply for opening the app, users generally need to interact with the available games and complete the required activity. The first step is checking the game offers before spending your time. Read the requirements carefully, because each offer can have different goals, progress rules, and reward conditions. The second part of a weekly review is tracking your effort. Write down which games you played, how long you spent on them, and what progress you made. This shows whether you are actually enjoying the process or spending more time than the rewards justify. Some users prefer apps like Rewarded Play because they already enjoy mobile games and can turn existing screen time into rewards. Other users may find that the time commitment does not match what they expected. The third part is understanding what affects your results. Your available offers, your gaming habits, and your ability to complete objectives all influence the experience. 2 people using the same app can have different results because they choose different games and spend different amounts of time. A good weekly review also includes checking the reward process. Make sure you understand how rewards are earned, what steps are required, and whether the available options fit your routine before continuing. After testing Rewarded Play for a week, the answer depends on your goal. If you enjoy mobile games and like earning rewards while playing, the app may fit your routine. If you are looking for a reliable replacement for regular income, this type of rewards app may not match that expectation. The key points are simple. Rewarded Play rewards depend on your activity, tracking your own time gives the clearest answer, and choosing games carefully improves the experience. Your next step is to test the app with a small amount of your free time, track your results, and decide if the rewards feel worthwhile for you. If this guide helped, like the video, and subscribe for more practical app reviews and online earning guides.